Hey traders, Brian here from breakingoptions.com, and I wanted to show you a trade we entered yesterday on Visa that we entered at 3:30 right here on this bar, and we entered it for multiple reasons. First reason, we've had a huge squeeze. That's what all these dots are. So it means there's a ton of pent-up energy and this is ready to move. If you look on the multiple squeeze, you have this on all the time frames. And if you drop down lower, you even had it on the 15-minute at this time, I believe. So that means there's a ton of energy and this thing's ready to either explode up or down. Our bias was to the upside. Why? Because the next candle, we broke one of our resistance lines. We were also supported by the 21 EMA. You could see we have the symmetrical triangle. It looks like it's going to break out. And we'll see what happens tomorrow if Visa breaks out. My target is 203.93 on this trade for tomorrow. We used the 205 calls expiring next week. Some traders did take the 202.50 lotto calls expiring tomorrow. Give you an update tomorrow and let you know how the trade pans out. Back traders, and here's an update on our Visa trade that we took yesterday. Just like we said, it had this massive squeeze. The squeeze did fire this morning. We did gap up, you could see. We did hit our target. 203.93. We actually went above target and went to the 21 EMA on the daily and even a little above that, which wasn't expected. So we exited the trade. The 205 calls we took got about 100%, and I think the lotto traders that took the 202.50 calls made anywhere from 500 to 1,000% on those, which is nuts. I did not take the lotto calls. We are now done with this trade and looking at the next one for over the weekend, which I see a few setups that are very similar. What you want to see, the squeeze building over a long period of time, a bullish pattern setup, consolidation, and preferably something like a symmetrical triangle or some kind of bullish formation that it can break out of. And if you're trading a short trade, you want to see something that it could break down off of. If you want to see more of these videos, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you know when I'm putting these videos out. Have a good weekend.